Hello students, in this video we will discuss basicity of some specific amine compounds, nothing but nitrogen heterocyclic compounds, pyrrole, imidazole, pyridine and aniline. So what is the basicity order for these compounds? Here first of all, in pyrrole, so generally we can consider basic nature, you can decide the basic nature based on the stability of the conjugate acid. Okay, so here you know that this lone pair of electrons are involved in a resonance, so here this pyrrole is a less basic in nature. Okay, in case of the pyridine, this lone pair of electrons are not involved in resonance. Okay, so these are freely available for the proton, so this pyridine is more basic than the pyrrole. And in case of the this aniline also, this lone pair of electrons are involved in a resonance. So here the finally pyrrole and aniline are less basic than the pyridine. Okay, pyridine more basic than the aniline and pyrrole. So here now we have to decide between aniline and pyrrole which is a more basic in nature. So here let us consider stability of the conjugate acid. So if this nitrogen accept the proton, that means here by donating electrons, that becomes a, that nitrogen becomes a sp3. Here in this case the sp3 atom in cyclic ring, it becomes a non-aromatic compound. It becomes non-aromatic compound. So here the conjugate acid is less stable. Now in this case, after protonation of that NH2, it becomes anilinium ion NH3 plus. Okay, between these two conjugate acids, which is the more stable? Here this is a non-aromatic and here there is a still aromatic ring, so this conjugate acid is stable. So aniline is more basic than the pyrrole. Okay, so here in this case among all these compounds, here that pyrrole is less basic. Okay, pyrrole is a less basic compound. And next aniline. Okay, and next here between imidazole and pyridine, because in this case this electrons, that means this nitrogen is a basic site, because this lone pair of electrons are involved in resonance, this lone pair of electrons are not involved in resonance. Here lone pair of electrons are not involved in resonance, here lone pair of electrons are not involved in resonance. So here these are more basic than the pyrrole and aniline. Okay, now between these two which is a more basic? So let us consider again conjugate acid stability. Conjugate acid stability. So here lone pair of electrons, here pi bond, here plus charge. Now in this case, this nitrogen, okay, plus charge. Now here in this one, pyridine and imidazole. Here in this case, this conjugate acid, okay, this conjugate acid is stabilized by the resonance. In this resonance, this conjugate acid has equal resonating structures. Okay, because of this resonance, this conjugate acid has equal resonating structures. So this one carries a positive charge, this one hydrogen and lone pair. Okay, so these two resonating structures are equal. That means here the conjugate acid of the imidazole is more stable, but in this case no equal resonating structures. Okay, so in this case the pi electrons are transferred to this one, it becomes, thus nitrogen becomes a neutral, here plus charge, like this. Okay, here in this case two equal resonating structures, that's why more stable conjugate acid. So imidazole is more basic than the pyridine. So finally basicity order is imidazole first, and next pyridine, and then aniline, and least pyrrole. Okay, that is the basicity order of these compounds. Now let us consider the basicity order of these compounds. Okay, basicity order of these compounds. So in this case This lone pair of electrons are involved in resonance. Here, this lone pair of electrons are not involved in resonance. So this is the nitrogen is the basic site. Here in this case, this nitrogen is the basic site. So again here, A is the least basic compound. Okay, and imidazole and this is the pyrazole. Between these two, which is the more basic in nature? Okay, again here we have to consider stability of the this conjugate acids. Okay, here this one carries a positive charge, this one carries a lone pair of electrons. Now these two have the equal resonating structures. These two are equal resonating structures. So here hydrogen, this pi bond, here pi bond, this one hydrogen, this one carries a positive charge. So conjugate acid is stabilized by the two equal resonant structures. So here if any molecular ion has equal resonant structures, that is the most stable. Now in case of the pyrazole, pi bond, here nitrogen, pi bond, this lone pair of electrons, here hydrogen plus charge. Okay, so it is not stabilized. Generally here this is stabilized by the this one pi conjugation. Okay, but not equal resonating structures. In this case we cannot observe the equal resonating structures. So in this case nitrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Okay, here pi bonding electrons, then this one carries a positive charge. So these are not a equal resonating structures. Okay, so here again in this case B more basic in nature, and next C. So that is the basicity order of these compounds. Now what is the acidic nature of these two compounds? Okay, so actually here this is the less basic. Actually ferrol is the less basic, but here it is slightly acidic in nature because the conjugate base is stabilized by the resonance. Okay, that means here still this one has an aromatic nature, but in case of the if it is acting as a base, that loses aromatic nature, but whenever it acting as an acid, it does not lose its aromatic nature. Okay, so this one acting as an acid, then acting as a base. Now in this case, after loss of proton, what is the conjugate base? Okay, this is the conjugate base. Again still conjugate base is aromatic. Here conjugate base is aromatic, but here in this case this nitrogen minus I effect is working on this anion, so this conjugate base is more stable. That's why imidazole is more acidic than the pyrrole. Okay, so that is the acidic nature and basic nature of some heterocyclic compounds. Okay, thank you for watching.